don't like that. So, cut. I feel like I look too tired to be doing this. I'm gonna do this a different day. Yeah, I think a different day is good. I think I'm too tired for this. Yeah, let's just back up here. Let's just back that up and regroup here. I really like this one though. It's got some lighter gray, black, purple, neon gray, neon orange, and teal in there as well. But it has just a little bit too much green to be, you know. I don't remember what I was saying. This new pattern also, oh my God. One micro cord I got new is tan. Nope, this one's blonde, excuse me. What am I rambling about? In a minute, I'm gonna need to show you some items from out this box. Oh, dreaded TikTok. Hey. All right, whatever. This seems like it's too noisy. Oh my God. All these ropes. This one is called Corey. Of course, I can't see this color and not think of The Office and Creed. But why do I have to say that? That is unnecessary information. So, and more sirens, more people, more colors of restocks. Now, this is stupid. What is happening? Okay, I can't talk. There's too much going on. I can't talk today. There's more people. There's people everywhere today. There's random people walking around out here, so fun.